since we're in my hood, let's do my world.
Pues es Sala Baker, que ha salido en El Señor de los Anillos como Sauron.
I've been in the industry for 19 years.
Gracias.
Started in New Zealand, did Lord of the Rings. I am the Dark Lord Sauron, and then ended up coming over to the States. And then just hustled my way through America. The brave thing was coming over here and kind of going, what do I do? How do I go? Where do I start? My friend who was actually a fan of Lord of the Rings, he was like, yeah, stay at my place. But he only had hardwood floors. You know the white plastic wedding chairs? I slept on one and I had my feet on the other. I overstayed my welcome at a couple places. But I made sure every day I cleaned the house, I cleaned my area, because I was like, I can't repay in any other way, so I got no money. I think I had $60 at the time, and I went to 99-cent store and spent like $26 on ramen noodles, and had half a packet a day. And then I would have 20 bucks for, just in case I would go anywhere, buses, and then $14 just in case. And made 60 bucks last 9 months. That was my hustle. I would take my resume, staple it with my headshot, all 4 corners with the Thomas guide. So I ended up basically just following people around Hollywood back in the day to see where productions were. And I just hustled my way, just kind of figuring it out. Just like go where everyone's going, like, okay, well, there's not many people who look like me, so I'm just gonna go and hand my resumes out. And I never thought about anything other than just every day, where's the next one? And that's how I kind of just slowly found my own way, got my own place and figured it out, hustled, because that was all I knew how to do, right? In New Zealand, is what's big for me is work ethic and common sense. If you can't drink, go find something to drink. If you're hungry, go find something to eat. If you're cold, put on a jersey. Go and work. I think looking different here does help because of my Polynesian background and the work ethic. To Hollywood, that's a win-win. And I think there's a lot of us in New Zealand that can come here and help a lot of people here to go, no, man, we can do it just as good as them. If not better in our own way. I guarantee you, if I see any Samoan kid or Polynesian kid in New Zealand, I can go, I guarantee you, you're gonna be amazing. If I just show them the way. I know it. I can prove it. I'm proving it right now. I want to show that when I'm gone, that there's plenty more of us to go. And if I can inspire more people, then it's like, that's my job, man.